Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi. Some people are always close to money. They earn, they hustle, they invest. Yet wealth never fully opens. Why? Because wealth doesn't respond to effort alone. It responds to the correct access code. Today, I introduce a brand new framework, the Wealth Access Code, TM. A system that explains why income can flow, but wealth remains locked. Section 1. What is the Wealth Access Code? The Wealth Access Code is the combination of conditions required for wealth to open: mindset alignment, skill positioning, financial structure, timing discipline, miss one digit, access denied. Section 2. The 4 digits of the Wealth Access Code. Digit 1. Value authorization. The market must recognize this person deserves higher value. No recognition, no access. Digit 2. Financial structure. Income without structure leaks. Savings, investing, and systems are the lock mechanism. Digit 3. Risk readiness. Wealth requires controlled risk, not comfort. Avoiding risk locks the door. Digit 4. Timing. Patience. Forcing results resets the code. Wealth opens at the right cycle, not emotional moments. Section 3. Why most people never get access. Because they want results without readiness, skip structure, fear, risk, rush the process. They keep entering the wrong code. Section 4. How to install your wealth. Access code. 1. Increase value visibility. 2. Lock financial systems in place. 3. Practice controlled risk. 4. Respect long-term timing. 5. Stay consistent across cycles. Access is earned, not begged. Conclusion. Wealth is not hiding from you. It's locked, waiting for the correct code. Install the Wealth Access Code TM and let the door open naturally.